Imagine growing up owning a Toyota Wigo, loving your young and joyful ride, enjoying your every trip together. However, as time passes, you get a little bit older. You realize that life is not all about play. You reach a point when you outgrow your car, and now you are looking for something that will mature with you. That nostalgic yet grown-up fun version of Wigo, fused with the maturity of a RAV4. That is when Toyota Raize comes into play. It is one of the latest offerings of Toyota to meet the needs of those looking for a subcompact crossover. On the exterior, it is vibrant and colorful, with top-of-the-line version offering a floating roof that will surely catch eyes. Yet, it has a touch of seriousness embedded on its sleek and professional-looking design. Unlike its cousins, the Wigo and the Vios, Raize has a bigger cargo space. There is also an ample legroom and headspace in the cabin. It fits 4 average-sized people perfectly, but fitting 5 will be a struggle. It is very easy to maneuver, especially during urban driving. It also offers good ground clearance that will withstand incline. Most importantly, Toyota Raize is very fuel efficient. And of course, you get the badge of a very reliable and trusted company. Toyota is not only well known for making high-quality cars, their post-sales customer service is also impeccable. This is a perfect car for owners who want to save themselves from the hassle of finding spare parts or poor customer service. On the downside, remember that Toyota Raize is just an entry-level crossover. Although there are tech features, you shouldn't expect much from it. There is nothing much that you can see on the second row other than the seats and the cup holder. The suspension is also not yet that refined. The engine works well for urban driving, but it definitely struggles uphill unless you get the turbo variant. The soundproofing and the car vibration are also parts that they can improve on. Despite of this, no one can deny that Toyota Raize is a good car. If you are first-time car owners, I suggest you go for the top-of-the-line variant. The additional features that it will give you will help you on the road, especially if you are first-time car owners or travelers and riders who are not yet that good on driving. For the additional price that you are paying, you will get driver assist functions that will give another layer of safety to your ride. It will also allow you to fully experience this car. Overall, Toyota Raize is good for first-time car owners who are going after a reliable and well-tested brand, or for bachelors who don't want to steer something too heavy on the road. Toyota Raize is a very practical ride that offers convenience and safety at an affordable price. It is good for fuel-conscious people and performs well on urban driving. This car is perfect for young professionals. If you want to step up your ride from the usual Wigo and you are looking for a car that is serious enough yet still retains a little bit of fun, then definitely, I highly recommend this car. I hope that this video will help you on your decisions. Happy driving!